fucking windy out. Carmack 1 here. Just saw the 24-inch stove. Was getting really slow the past 2 weeks now. It was all picking up in a month, now getting slow again. And just got picked up now. Guy came over, wanted a 24-inch stove. Trying to bargain with me. Get out of here, old man. I'm old too. He goes, I'll give you $350 if you deliver it. This is what he's telling me. I'll give you $350 if you deliver it and help me bring it down the basement. I said, you know what, buddy? No. I don't have to deliver anything. I can have someone come here and buy it. I don't have to deliver shit. He goes, oh well then. I said, okay, no problem then. You go find another stove. I get 60 days warranty. Good luck. And then he's getting in his car, and the wife was talking in the car. The wife comes out. He goes, okay, we'll give you $350. We'll take it now then. Sorry about that. My husband's an ass. I said, yeah, he is a kind of an ass. Trying to bribe me to bring a fucking stove, deliver it there, and help me bring it down the stairs in the basement. Yeah. Oh shit. Get out of here, people. So yeah. Anyway, he saw the stove. Beautiful, guys. It's beautiful out here. I damaged my truck last week over here. These fucking, sorry about it, I'm not gonna swear no more. Hit the snowbank, my front end reversing. So now I'm gonna phone my insurance company and say someone hit me in a parking lot and get it fixed. It's driving me nuts. I don't want that shit on my truck. I'll show you guys. You can't notice it, but I'm not a good buddy, guys. I can't really tell. Hang on. Okay, that's one cell. Just make sure the cash don't blow away in a freaking windy day here. Well, money flying around, that's for sure. Let's put it here. I'm going to show these guys here. I reversed. When I reversed, there was a big, huge snowbank like this, and I smacked it here. Right freaking here. And this is off. The bumper's up. Look at the bottom here. See my skirt? I don't care, license plate. But see my skirt? Lowered on one side. And I couldn't figure out, why is it low on one side? Right? Really low. So it's crooked skirt. And I can't see where the bumper is. I look behind here and I see in the crack. So this bumper is way off. And it's pushed in. If you see where the wheel well is here, if you look at that, and you go on this side, see how the wheel's in and the wheel's out? If I look underneath it, there's a plastic piece that's broke right off. Ah, god damn it. That pisses me off. Now I got two problems in my truck. That, and one of my exhaust. I hit the pipe and I pushed it in. Exhaust, see? Pushed in. This one ain't. So I'm gonna phone the insurance company and just tell them that, hey, someone hit my truck in a parking lot and needs to be looked at. Insurance will go up, oh well, at least it'll be fixed. I don't want it freaking ruined, man. Sucks, anyways. Alright. You didn't like this one here. You liked it the old styles. Before they were coming, I was freaking cleaning a stove. Holy shit, I was cleaning this. I had to shove it in here quick, look. I didn't want them seeing this dirty stove. So I shoved that in there quick. Threw all my cleaning supplies in here fast. I said, holy shit, they're coming. I said, how long you be here? They said 5 minutes. So I had to give it a fucking dirty stove. And I threw this over here. You don't want them seeing a dirty stove. If they see a dirty stove, they're gonna say, oh shit, where did these stoves come from? An apartment building? Who knows? But yeah, I can get back and cleaning that stove. Alright, stay tuned, guys. Didn't know, it's almost 6. My supper's ready. Alright, we'll finish the rest tomorrow. Brand new trays, and I freaking dropped the trays. All brand new trays, and I dropped one. As soon as you drop them, they chip, eh? You can see? So I painted it with barbecue paint. Alright, time to go home. continue this video tomorrow. Today is Tuesdays, I think it's Tuesday, but it's gonna be a nice day, guys. 9 degrees, sunny. All right, today we're delivering a dryer. It's on the truck. Guy has an old dryer in the basement. Son's gonna help me take the old dryer out and bring this down in the basement. So it was $350. We settled for $300. He says, well, I'm giving you a dryer back. I said, well, to me it's no good. It's scrap metal, right? Meanwhile, I know what's wrong with it. It's got no heat. The thermistor fuse has got to be changed. So I'm getting the dryer back and getting one sold in return. Not too bad. Can't be that. We're going to drop that off now. Going to be there by 12. So stay tuned for the nice day, guys. Let's go do this delivery. Alright. We sold them a Kenmore dryer and got the same thing back. Kenmore dryer. He said, how old is yours? I said about 7 years old. He said, well, mine's about 20 years old. I didn't know he had the same dryer. LOL. He probably said, you liar. Anyways, delivered it, sold it, got paid, and got another one in return. Gonna get in here, feed my dog, and then go back to the shop, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, we're back. Holy carambas. We're gonna find any treasures in here. Are we gonna find any oh, there's 10 cents. Oh, there could be a lot of money in here. 10 cents. 10 cents so far, guys. See, sold a dryer, got one in return. Same one I had, Kenmore. These are better though. Easy access to clean them. I like these dryers. These dryers are amazing. I had the same dryer, Kenmore, with 2 knobs instead of 4 knobs. But yeah, the access panel, they're amazing. Amazing to clean. I'll use my hands. I'll pick this shit up. Throw it out. So, I wonder what's wrong with it. Could be the heater core, or could be the thermistor. I say it's a thermistor. That's what I say. 10 cents so far, can't go wrong in there. Oh, she's packed. She's packed with stuffing. We're gonna keep cleaning her out. Take the air box out. And get a scraper. I'll use a brush. Get in here and take all this out. Oh, she is loaded. She is loaded. Oh, yeah, that's a lot of lint. Holy shit, it's like layers of it, huh? This was a fire hazard for sure. This was a freaking fire hazard for sure. Holy shit. Oh my god, she's packed. I have to get access to the back of it too. Oh, it's packed. Holy shit. Oh. Oh my god. Phew, phew. Breathing that shit. Hey guys, look at this. We're getting less and less. I ordered a spider arm for this LG washer, guys, so stay tuned for that video. We're gonna put it all back together. Parts are everywhere. Okay. Let's clean that dryer out. What a beautiful day, guys. Beautiful. Okay, what do we need? Screwdriver. We need tools. This is the stove I got yesterday, guys, from my landlord. Cleaned it all up this morning. She's ready to go. All done. Let's get the tools here. Let's go take this apart. We got a message. We got a message. Oh my god, terrible. Look at that. Guys, clean your dryers. Holy jeez. This is freaking terrible. That's why these dryers are the best, man. Easy access to clean them. You can't go wrong. Cardboard, good idea. You can stick your screws in it so you don't lose them. Oh, she's packed. I'm gonna have to get it open more than this. I'll have to take it all apart to clean it good. To really get in there, it's a lot. So we're gonna take it all apart, guys. Might as well, it's a beautiful day. Why not? Okay, I'm gonna remove the front panel. You got screws here, guys. Take it all apart. Clean it the right way. Take the rollers off. Grease the rollers. Everything. We're gonna do the whole 9 yards to this. The whole 9 yards. Might as well. It's worth it. Beautiful day. Why not? Oh, that's gonna fall. Put the screw there on my cardboard. Well, tell me one screw is holding this door now. Watch it fall on me. Don't be falling on me. Put the screw on the. There. Okay, give me a sec, guys. Okay, what we did is remove 2 screws in the bottom here, 2 springs on either side. They click onto this piece here. Now we're gonna pop this off. We have to pop the lid off. Shit, look at that control board. Holy jeez, I've never seen that big of a control board in a dryer before. That's freaking huge. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the top lid here. I guess those screws in the back. Remove these 2 screws. Remove the whole top lid. This is a different dryer from the other ones, quite different. With the schematics over there, manual there. I'll remove the whole lid. If you can. The bottom don't drop back. Or is it? Don't fall back. Don't fall back. Let me see if it's gonna fall. Nope. Oh no, it's not gonna fall. It's bolted. The lid should come off now. Let's get our screws here, don't lose them. Manual out. Pull the top lid off. It should come off. Give me a sec, guys. Okay, guys, once you get those 3 screws off, the lid actually slides off. You can see the sliders there. It just slides off. We got some corrosion there. We'll sand that down, spray it down a bit. Okay, now we're gonna remove the front door. 2 screws on both sides here, guys. You know where I can put you guys to watch. Maybe I put you on the stove here. Just let me slide the stove. Oh. How's that, guys? There you go. You got front row seats. Don't fall over now, right? Few screws on both sides here. Okay, we're gonna pop this out now. Oh, let's unhook the door latch first. Don't forget that. Okay, blue on the right, white on the left, brown. Oh, I should have probably taken a picture here. Blue on the right, white on the left. Just gonna snap a quick picture here. This side how it goes. Got a little fuse in here. Didn't see that before either. How do you get this open? Come on. Pop this out. The light. God, come on. Push and turn. There we go. Blue on the right, white on the left. Okay, guys? Blue on the right. Oh shit, another wire. Oh my god. Can I bust this one now? Shit, hang on, guys. I just busted the sensor. Jesus. Get the sensor out. God. Freaking dust. Let's pull it up. Alright. Okay. Got the door out. I'll show you guys the door. Hang on. My God. all this. Alright guys, there's your front door. Wheels look good, just need cleaning and oiling. And here has to be all cleaned out though. That's filthy in there. Yeah, now I'm gonna pop the drum out and clean all the inside out, guys. So I'll put you guys back here. Jesus. Make some freaking space here, guys. Okay. Unhook the belt first from the motor. Okay, belt's unhooked. Grab the belt from the top of the drum, lift it. Cut on something. Nope. Spread the washer. What are we stuck on here? Hang on. There we go. What are we stuck on here? Holy shit. There we go. Bill's cut on something. Spread it. Ah, it's stuck on a 40. Oh, God. Jesus. Drum out. Okay, drums out. Oh, Jesus. Now we're really into it, guys. It was almost catching fire anyways. Look at that. Holy shit. There you go. I'd say it's a Mr. Fuse Blue. Got too hot with all this shit. Look. This would be a good picture for my advertisement. Have your dryers clean. Alright, let's take a snapshot of this. God, a freaking vacuum. There's a motor everywhere. Sorry guys. Stand up. Holy shit. I got attitude. My nose is running. Oh Jesus. Hang on. Looks better, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna do a quick test here, see what's going on here. Check the heater core first, see it's not burnt out. We got it on continuity here, guys. Hope it's not the heater core. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh shit, it is too, it burnt out. She got too hot, let's try the inside. Yeah. Oh, we got a lot of these to replace. That's what it is. Alright, we're gonna replace it. Probably need some lube. Wheels could use some lube. Yeah, so we're gonna replace the heater box. No problem. We have lots. We have thousands of those kinds. Thousands. Thousands. Where's our 1,000 heater boxes? There are thousands of them. Great. They're right behind here. Right there, you can pick. Lots. Oh, those are not them, are they? Which one is it now? I forget. Those are the back ones that go on the back wall. Huh, mine not. I might have to patch it up for now, I guess. I might not have that one there. No. Yeah, I might have to patch it up. Clamp her up. Let's see, let me pull it out first. I don't think we can patch this up, guys. This one here, you can't open the box. The box is completely welded together. Sealed. You can't even get that out. I thought you take the screws off and slide it out, but you can't. What's holding it? A clip? She's pretty tight still. Well, she's screwed on that side, but welded on the other side, see? You can't even get there and even patch and find the brake. I don't even see the, can't even see the brake from here. It's impossible to patch it. Looks like I'm gonna have to replace the heater, guys. I thought I had one somewhere. I don't remember. Got something coming for a stove, so I can't screw around here too long. Oh, my freaking mess out there. Shit. Thought I had one somewhere. Probably do. Shit. Word beats the hell out of me. All this crap. Did I have one in here? No, those are those other kinds. Huh, what's this, guys? Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, what's this? We do have one, guys. Here, let's check it out. See if she works. See if she's got continuity. There we go. So we got two of them, I guess. Who knew? Same size. Yeah, same size. There we go. Let's do a continuity check. See if she's good. Put it all back together and get this shit out of here before the guy shows up here. I don't like people seeing me working on shit out here. Okay, here we go, guys. Continuity check. She's good. Let's see if it's not grounded. No, it's not grounded. Don't check it. Yeah, she's good. Let's slap her in, guys. That's it. Okay, you guys can see here what we're doing. I gotta get the stand for it. Let's see you guys focus there. Put this piece on here. Oh, what's she now? Shit. Oh, like this. Like this? Oh my god. What is that? Oh, Jesus. Like that. Like that. So she was like that. 2 screws in here. And screws could be too small. And that's probably put a self tapper, guys. That's how she goes. Yeah, we're gonna have to put a self tapper, no big deal. Get the self tappers out quickly. There's the other one. I had to bend it to get the screws out. It's gonna work, guys. It's gonna work. Okay, we got self tappers, guys. We're back at it. I don't know what time this guy's gonna show up here, see me working on this. He's gonna self tap it, guys. To the back, I guess. Somebody cuts their hands. there. Another self-tap right here. She holds. That's it. That self-tapper's on. And that's it. We can put it back in, guys. This way. As you can see. Oh my God. Oh, shit, I'm tightening this screw here. Fucking screwdriver. Oh, here. Time to screw for the thermistors. 1, 2. Good. Stick it in the hole. Is it in the hole? There we go. Oh, jeez, it nearly unscrews, for God's sakes. She's in there. See if the holes line up. Oh shit, the hole's not gonna line up. More self-tappers, guys. You can't bend that like that. Yeah, I need some self-tappers. 2 more self-tappers. Oh, clean my mess. You gotta love self-tapping screws, eh? Freaking amazing. Make life so much easier, guys. So we're just gonna self-tap it right here. See, that's gonna hold. Yeah, she's in there. I think 1's enough. Yeah, it's all done. Alright, guys, maybe I'll put 1 more. Alright, all hooked up. So I hope I got them right. 1 to that, to that, to that, to that, to that, to that, that to that, that to that. Yep. Okay. She's good to go. Let's put her back together, guys. That's it. We've changed this piece of crap. Alright. Alright, got the panel on. Got the wires all hooked up. Belt's on. Slide the belt back a bit. Belt all straighten out once you spin it. Okay, what next? The cover. This cover on. There's a little clip here that clips onto here. Oh, let's put these pins on first. They just go here. Right here. I don't know what they're for though. Oh, wait. Was it here? No, the screws go there. They go here. How do they seem too loose? That's weird. These springs don't make any sense. Oh, Jesus. I guess they were over here. Just like that. Because the screw goes there. They couldn't go where the screw went. They make no sense. What the hell would they be there for? That makes sense to you, and it wasn't crooked like that also. Did they go somewhere else? No. They just seem loose. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I better get ready. This guy might show up any time now. But yeah, we got the door back on. Ugh. Oh, it's getting hot, guys. I just took my sweater off. I have to take my other sweater off. Holy geez, getting hot. Look the frick, I'm wearing a hat. Scared I might hit my head again somewhere, but I gotta take it off. Holy shit. Whoa, whoa. Head's healing good. Oh my God, it's getting warm out. Shit, well that was a frickin' waste of time. Bro, idiot. Turn the stove, he goes, oh, this is not new? I was on the other side. I said, you wanted to pay $250, I'll give you this one here, it's just dirty inside, you clean it. No, I want new. You said you have new in picture. He shows me a picture of it, which I've already sold, and you can tell it's not new in a picture. Then I said, you want something newer, new? I take him over here, I show him this one here, mint condition, not even a freaking scratch on it. Look at it. Beautiful. So you can have this for $300, $280. He goes, no, and he's sitting here thinking, I don't know, he's a gypsy or something. He's sitting here thinking, I said, what is it, for a property? Property? You have a property? Because you have a van, obviously, you got tools and all that. You have property. But I want new. Then, you know what? Go to the store in the wrong freaking place, wasting my fucking time. Sorry the language, guys. Just idiots. Like, I said, so you want to buy new, and you're over here. Then go buy new, pay $900. It's for a property, right? They're going to just ruin it anyways. No, I want new. He's standing here. I said, okay, you don't want it? Let me let you out. You're wasting my freaking time, guy. Get out of here. Holy shit, the people, man. People like that just piss me off. Like, you're looking at Marketplace. People are selling used stuff. What the hell's your problem? Are you that stupid? Okay, I cleaned all the freaking hair was stuck. I figured out what those springs are for, guys. Those springs are for the door here, see? They go inside. They get hooked up on the inside. So you have the door. You know what I mean? So it won't just fall down like that. So the tensioners for that door. That's all. One on each side, on the inside. Shit, man. Fucking disgusting hair. Someone cut their hair or something. It's stuck over my clothes. So I just got them changed. Short sleeves. Oh, it's hot, guys. Oh my god. Okay, now I figured out what those springs are for. Let's put the cover back on the fan there. Get this together. Get it, put it away. We're all done, guys. Swept up, clean. One dryer, ready to go. Oh, I missed a spot there. I painted the rust there, but I missed a spot. Oh man, I could touch that up. No, I sanded it. We'll touch that up. Tidy up here. I don't think there's anybody else coming here. No, I don't think there's anybody else coming. Oh, let's get that thing from the garbage dust. Oh my god.